Okay, so this is how to take the beverage inventory. Okay, so this is the beverage order sheet. This can be found in the Google Drive, like everything else pretty much. Um, the way this beast works is West Side. This is all the beer that West Side sells that we order from them. This is the optimal amount that we would like to have on hand. What we have to do is we go into the cooler, we count how many cases of Budweiser we have. Don't worry about there's about 30 of them in the sleeves. Don't worry about that. Just count how many cases we have. We might find out that we only have 3. If that's the case, 10 minus 3 is 7. We need to order 7. So that's part of the order. Same thing with Bud Light. We have 10. So we want to order 20 more. Bud Select, we have 1, so we don't need to order any. Bud Light Lime, we have 2. We only need to order 1. Busch, we have Busch. We don't need any. Busch Light, we have 2, so we need to order 2. So all the way down the line. So when we call West Side, which your phone number's right there, or when they call us, they say, hey, do you have the order? We have this done. This will be prompted for you to do in the weekly to-do sheets. So the timing will be, oh, I have to do this today and take the inventory so it's ready to go when they call or when the order is due. All right. The only exception is sometimes we'll need to order quarter barrels for like a league or something like that for the Moose League. We need to remember the last Wednesday of the month while the Moose League is playing, we need to order a quarter barrel of Bud Light. So Coke, same thing. So yeah, liquor. Here's the liquor. Henry Fox, Alliance. So very easy to do. If you have any questions, let me know.